Hello everyone and welcome my dear students. Today we have maths lecture. In maths we are going to learn chapter number 14, measurement of time. So my dear students, let's revise. Here you can see the clock. The clock has two hands. One hand is long and the other is short. The long hand is the minute hand, it shows minutes, and the short hand is the hour hand, it shows hours. We have also learned that the minute hand takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next, which means we can use 5 times table for counting the minutes. So now let's revise how to write the time in hours and minutes shown in the clock. So first example, here we can see a short hand is at 8 and the long hand is at 12. This means the time is 8 o'clock. Now let's see next one. Here you can see short hand is at 5 and long hand is at 3. Short hand means hour hand. So we have to count the minutes. When we have to count the minutes, we will multiply that number with 5, which means 15 minutes. So the time is 5 hours and 15 minutes. Next one. Here you can see shorthand is at 10, which means 10 hours, and longhand is at 6, that is minute hand. So we will multiply it with 5. 6 5s are 30, so the time is 10 hours and 30 minutes. Moving on, next one. Shorthand is at 2, which means 2 hours. Longhand is at 5, means we have to multiply it with 5. So 5 5s are 25. So the time is 2 hours and 25 minutes. Let's move on to the next one. Here you can see the shorthand is between 9 and 10. So it means 9 hours, and the longhand is on 9, means 9 5s are 45. So the time is 9 hours and 45 minutes. Let's see next one. Here you can see small hand is between 12 and 1, which means 12 hours, and the long hand is at 11. So we will multiply it with 5. 11 5s are 55. So the time is 12 hours and 55 minutes. Now let us see what is next. Next is word problems. So let us solve one after another. First one. Sheetal leaves home at 9 o'clock and reaches school after 30 minutes. At what time does she reach school? So now we have to find out exact time when she reached school. So let's see first what is given to us. The time at Sheetal leaves home is 9 o'clock. Time she takes to reach her school is 30 minutes. So 9 o'clock plus 30 minutes, that is equal to 9:30. Thus, Sheetal reaches the school at 30 minutes past 9, which also means 9 hours and 30 minutes. Let's see next one. A race starts at 45 minutes past 10 and ends at 11 o'clock. Find the total duration of the race. So let us solve this sum. First we will write the given. The race starts at 45 minutes past 10, which is 10:45. The time at the race ends is 11 o'clock. So we have to find out the duration of the race. So let us count the minutes from 10:45 till 11 o'clock. So it is 15 minutes. So the duration of the race is 11 o'clock minus 10:45, that is equal to 15 minutes. Thus the total time of the race was 15 minutes. Next one. A train starts its journey at 4 o'clock. The total journey time is 6 hours. At what time will the journey end? Now here they had given the starting time of the journey and the duration of the journey. They are asking us to find out the exact time when the train will reach. So let us see first. The time at the train starts is 4 o'clock. Duration of the journey is 6 hours. So the time at the journey ends will be from 4 o'clock we will add 6 hours in it, that is 4 plus 6 is 10. Thus journey will end at 10 o'clock. Next one. A movie starts at 30 minutes past 9 in the morning and ends at 45 minutes past 12 in the afternoon. So, what is the total duration of the movie? Here they had given us the starting time of the movie and the ending time of the movie, and they are asking us to find out the duration. So, let us start. So, solution. The movie starts at 30 minutes past 9, that is 9:30. The movie ends at 45 minutes past 12, that is 12:45. Now let us find out the duration of movie. 12:45 minus 9:30, that is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Or else we can count the time from 9:30 to 12:45, that is 3 hours and 15 minutes. So the total duration of the movie is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Now let's go on to next one. Sita can stitch one dress in 2 hours. How many dresses can she stitch from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.? Now here they had given us the duration of hours which she need to stitch a dress, and they had given us time. In that time how many dresses she can stitch. So let's go for solution. Number of hours between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., that is 10 a.m. minus 6 a.m., that is equal to 4 hours. She takes 2 hours to stitch one dress. So 4 hours is equal to 2 hours plus 2 hours. So number of hours she takes for one dress is 2 hours. Thus Sita can stitch 2 dresses in 4 hours. Next one. A train leaves Patna at 9:30 in the morning and travels for 3 hours and 10 minutes to reach Sonpur. At what time will it reach Sonpur? Now in this question they had given the time of train at which it leaves and they had given us duration. They are asking us to find out the ending time, means the time at which the train reach. So let us find out. We'll go for solution. Time to reach Sonpur is equal to time when train leaves Patna plus journey time. So we have to add both the times. So at what time train leaves Patna? It is 9:30 and the journey time is 3 hours and 10 minutes. So 9:30 plus 3:10 we get 12 hours and 40 minutes. Or else from 9:30 we can count 3 hours and 10 minutes. We will get answer 12 hours and 40 minutes. Therefore, the train will reach Sonpur at 12 hours and 40 minutes in the afternoon. Now let's go for next one. Read the clock given below and write the time in hours and minutes. So let us have a look at the clock. Here you can see the small hand, that is our hand, is at 9. So it is 9 hours, and the minute hand is between 1 and 2. Now we have to find out the exact minute. So we can see the minute hand is after 2 units, then 1. So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 minutes, and 2 minutes after 1 means 5 plus 2 is 7. So the exact time is 9 hours and 7 minutes. So solution, the hour hand is on 9, the minute hand is on 7. So the time is 7 minutes past 9, that is 9:07. Now let's see next one. Write times of the day for the following. First one, the hour hand and the minute hand of clock will be at the same position. So now we have to find out the time in which both the hands position should be at the same place. So the time which I have got is both the hands at the same place is exactly at 12 o'clock. Next one, hour hand and minute hand of the clock will be opposite. Now here we have to find out a time when the position of both the hands of the clock should be in the opposite side. So I found the time when the both hands of the clock are at opposite position, that is 6 o'clock. Next one. What will be the time after 1 hour from 11 o'clock? Now here you can see the clock and the time in that clock is 11 o'clock. Short hand is at 11 and long hand is at 12. So the time is 11 o'clock. So we have to find out the time after 1 hour from 11 o'clock. So we will move one step forward. After 11 it comes 12. So the time will be 12 o'clock. Next one. What will be the time after 60 minutes from 9 o'clock? Now here you can see the clock. Small hand is at 9 and long hand is at 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. Now we have to find out the time after 60 minutes from 9 o'clock. So first, my dear student, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So again we will move one step ahead. 1 hour after 9 is 10. So the time will be 10 o'clock. Let's see next one. What will be the time after 1 hour from 5 o'clock? Now here you can see hour hand is at 5 and minute hand is at 12. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now we have to find out the time 1 hour from 5 o'clock. So we will move one step further. So after 5 it comes 6. So the time is 6 o'clock. Next one. What will be the time before 1 hour from 9 o'clock? Now see here, we have to find out the time before 9 o'clock. So first we will see the time. Small hand, that is hour hand, is at 9 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. Now we have to find out the time before 1 hour from 9 o'clock. So we will go one step back. Which number comes before 9 is 8. So the time before 1 hour from 9 o'clock is 8 o'clock. Thank you.